Creating your own unique applique for your designs will help you save a lot of money. Yes. So welcome back to our YouTube channel if you're a return subscriber, and if you're new on this channel, don't forget to click the subscribe button. Welcome on board. So you can make simple designs like this. All you need to get is to just get some beautiful rose material, flowers, stones, whatever you want to use. So let's get to work. So for this tutorial, I got some red roses and also got net, just a little piece. So this is a type of applique I want to make now, just to design a red dress to make it pop. So you get net, like I said, and also get a glue gun. So you apply it on the rose and attach to the net. What I did is that I placed a piece of fabric underneath. You can see, because it's a red fabric and I don't want it to stain or mess up my table. That's my workspace. So that's it. And in arranging it, you just have to be creative about it. You can see I picked a pink rose because I want it to pop. I want the colors to blend, so I don't have it boring and just red. So I choose something that will blend with red roses, different sizes, you know, and different types. So you can see that I have to on my glue gun so that it will get hot, so I can melt the candle and put it on the rose. You can see the way I'm doing it. It's hot, so, and I'll put it on the net. I'm putting it on the net, but behind the net I have a piece of fabric so that it doesn't stain my table, and also it doesn't get messy. You can see when I remove it, it will still be neat and it will be fine. So I continue by adding some crystal roses. You know, I told you it's different types. So I blended shades of red. I have burgundy, I have wine, I have horse blood. So I just mixed everything together, and I'm just going to continue applying them. You know, I make sure that the ones that are similar are a bit far apart, so they don't get too boring. Yeah, that's the word. So I mix them all together. I make sure my glue gun is on and still hot, so I continue placing them just the way I want it to be on my fabric, you know. So I'm trying to create the shape on the net while I still place it on the fabric. So this is it after I attached my different type of roses. You can see that they are different. Can you see that? So now I'm removing it. It's dry already. It dries automatically. So I'm removing it from the piece of fabric. You can see it's rough on the fabric. If I had done that on my table, it would have stained my table. Just remove carefully. All you need is the net. You don't need the piece of fabric. Just because you want it to be neat, that's why we put that piece of fabric. So I removed gently. You can see, fine. You can see. So if you think it's not firm enough, you can just add a little, but this is perfect and it's dried. The advantage of this is that you don't mess up your fabric. If you put them directly on the fabric, you might mess it up. So you can see that it's beautiful. So I'll shape it out now. This is what you see in the market. You buy the shaped one. So they already shaped out the pattern of the newly put together roses. So that is what you have. You know, when I shape it now, it's like a piece of applique that you buy in a tailoring store. So you can also make this and sell. You know, there are a lot of ways you can make money in this business. You can imagine, I did not even go on the sewing machine. This is just something I did with glue. I did with net and some flowers that I got in the market, and they are very, very affordable. You know, very, very affordable. So putting it together, if you buy it ready-made, it might be more expensive, but if you do it all by yourself this way, it will reduce your cost of production. So, and it is important that we create things like this so that we can maximize our profits if you're doing it as a business. So now I have finished cutting my net, and you can see that it's there. So I'll go ahead and attach it to my main dress. You can see it's beautiful, the color blends and all that, and it's pop. It's so nice. I mean, I really love it. I have the feathered one, I have the sequence rolls, I have different type, different colors, but they all blend together. So that is what it looks like. You see the other side as well, and that's it. So I hope you love this. This is not the end. You want to see the end of this video, you want to see it on my dress, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you're yet to subscribe. So you fix it with needle and thread on your dress. So it's very much okay to fix with needle and thread than to attach the flowers directly to your dress with glue. That will spoil the fabric and you might not be able to reuse the applique for future purpose. So this is the result of the dress. Wow, it's so beautiful. You can see the applique is so nice and very beautiful. So if you enjoyed this video, please click the like button, subscribe, turn on notification. I'll see you in my next video. I love you.